matilo mena kensa xikwenbo ava vutisani vo va pfumala tinhlamulo ingene na jona primary ndzi kotise ku yini ku sala mina mikwembu ya mina phela yi tirha overtime akokese ni ku teka valala va mino va tsakela ku humelela.
However, my name is Mr. Maluleke, an educator and a sport organizer of High School Western area, whereby first I just want to thank everyone for this day, actually to be here. It means that we really value brotherhood, we really value this kind of initiative, which is very much good. But what it means by being a man, what's a man actually? It means a lot. So we need to start being there for each other. That's what we need to just, make sure that this we also consider. So, in short, I'll just 3 commitments. Number 1 says, know your purpose, live it daily. You need to know your purpose as a man, and you need to live that daily. Number 2, it says, build one meaningful brotherhood connection this time around.